Let's talk about the IELTS writing and what are the tiny mistakes or errors that is actually preventing you to go above a 7. Today, I am going to share the 5 common mistakes and how you can correct them if you are looking for a band above a 7. Let's start learning. Alright, let's jump right into the topic for today. The first mistake that you might be committing is not using a logical format. Let's start with the task 1 and the task 2, okay? Be it whichever you are using, you need to actually have a format. A format means not a template, but different paragraphs. You need to break down your ideas into different paragraphs. For example, if you are talking about the task 2, you need to have an introduction paragraph, then you need to have at least 2 body paragraphs, and then towards the end you need a conclusion paragraph. Avoid using bullet points or underlining certain things in your essay, headings, subheadings or numbering. Avoid all these different things. Whatever you are doing, make sure that it is happening in running handwriting and clearly organized. If you have a proper structure, if an examiner is looking at your paper and they see a well-structured essay with around 4 paragraphs, you have already impressed the examiner. But like I said, that is only impressing the examiner with the first look. You need to have something inside as well. So take care. The first thing is have a logical structure. The second mistake which most of the people do is not taking a stand. If you present an unclear position in your task 2, this can affect your final band score. Make sure you decide first itself as to which position you are going to take. And no matter what you take, maintain it throughout the entire essay. If you discuss what some people think and what other people are saying, but you fail to express your own opinion, then you are in for some trouble. Keep the following points in mind when you are writing an essay. First thing is use personal pronouns to express your opinion. Avoid changing that opinion up and down. Say for example, you mentioned your opinion in the opening introduction paragraph. Keep it the same throughout the body paragraph and also in the conclusion paragraph. Decide on it. Fix yourself. This is my opinion. I'm going to stick by it and I'm going to give all my ideas based on this particular opinion. Okay, before I jump on to the next one, I just want to quickly remind you that if you're getting some value out of this video, feel free to like it. Okay, let's jump into the next point, or rather the next mistake, which is not checking your spellings. Spellings play a major role in written communication, so it is important that you spell correctly. Remember that computer delivered IELTS exam does not have that spell check, that little highlighting thing that comes under an incorrect word. It is not there, so even you might not know it. If you're writing, you will definitely not know it. But spellings are very, very important because they determine your grammar scores. Before you complete your task 2 or your task 1, make sure you check the writing for spelling errors. If there are errors, you make those corrections. This is why we always tell our students to proofread. Spend some time after the entire writing exercise to proofread your full essay. You see, our mind moves faster than our hand, so we are bound to make mistakes. The one thing that we can do is do some proofreading and correct your spellings. The next is not getting a full grasp or understanding of the question. You see, if there is a particular question and it has maybe 3 subdivisions, it is your duty to answer all of it. Take time to read the question carefully and decide how many parts are there in the question. Let's take a look at one particular question below. You are asked to say, for example, okay, let's take in the writing task 2, there is a discuss 2 viewpoints and give your opinion. So in this one, you need to discuss one opinion, that is view 1, then you need to do view 2, and then after that you need to give in your opinion. Only if all 3 parts are answered will you get your full score. So make sure that you address the question completely. We would love to have you on our YouTube community, and for that we would request you, it's very simple, just hit that subscribe button so that you can get updated to every informative video we are releasing on a weekly basis. Okay, let's jump into the next one. And this is something that always most of the students end up doing. That is not giving a realistic example. It's good to use surveys and research to support your opinion. However, please make sure that they are authentic. Use real examples and evidences from your life experience and support that view. You see, examiners cannot check if your research or your survey or anything is real. However, if it is read and if it doesn't make any sense, it has to be wrong. So make sure that you are giving something that is credible. Make sure you present a clear position supported by examples from your own experience. Remember that, from your own life experience. That's it from now. I hope you've got something new and you've learned something new as well for the IELTS writing. If you are serious about your goals and need some good professional help with your IELTS, not just writing but all the 4 modules, then we can help you. All you have to do is log on to our website and feel free to sign up. You can get in touch with us either through the comments right below or using the contact form in the comment section right below. Feel free to share this video with your friends if it is informative or if you know someone who is struggling with the IELTS writing. You can also check out some of the other videos in our YouTube channel. That's all from Genesis Learning this week. Thank you so very much for stopping by. I'm your trainer Noel, and I will see you for the next video. Ciao.